Join us on our private charter on Baranof Fishing. Hey guys, it's me, Dace Ranger, and I'm here fishing in Ketchikan, Alaska with Captain Chris, and I'm going to show you a few photos for the video, and at the end, I'll tell you how it was. This was Baranof Fishing. Baranof provided us to wear all rain gear so we wouldn't get wet. We were on a boat that was 30 feet long. While we were pulling out, the Disney ship pulled in. It was a big one. The water was beautiful, and we had a great time. We even saw deer on our way to drop crab pots. Here's a video of us dropping them. On our way to catch the halibut, it was a fun ride, but it was bumpy because we kept jumping in the air and the boat was all wobbly. The boat ride was fun, and obviously my grandpa was the first one to catch a fish because he's the fishing pro.
Come on, Brian, get it up.
Now here's a video provided for my dad's Insta360. It looks like my uncle was getting tired from reeling the fish in because the water was 200 feet deep.
I'm waiting for it, Brian. Come on. I'm waiting for it. Come on, man. Oh, seriously? Seriously? You wiener. Oh, he got you guys. You guys didn't even feel it, huh?
Oh, look at that. Two of them. Oh, you got it. Oh, you got it. I got it. What?
This was my video of my cousin catching a fish, and he got two at a time. I was the next one to do that. My uncle even caught two fish,
He got two.
and Captain Chris, our captain, helped us pull it up, and he would cut them up because at the end of this video, we did get to eat some of our fish.
You gotta wait, okay?
Halibut!
Dace got a halibut!
Look at that. What happened to my fish? Keep reeling.
Hey! You got a halibut, Dace!
What's the halibut look like? I got the biggest fish.
There you go.
Oh, Jay!
Sterling!
Ah, it's moving to me.
Yeah, it's okay. It can't hurt you.
Seth, look at my hand. Like I got the megalodon or something. No, you did not. Really? You want to try catching something like this? Me?
This time when I was catching a fish, I got a halibut and a cod together. Captain Chris was filleting some of our fish so we can eat them at the Cook Your Catch.
No, not yet. It's not. You'll know because it'll bend your pull down a lot.
This one is tough.
Keep going, son. Keep going. Don't give up.
This is my fish. If you want to go, I'll give you those balls. It will still be your fish, okay? Now, you still want it to be your fish. I can do it for you.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
But I'm not going to touch it.
Oh, yeah.
When we were done catching halibut, I even got to raise the anchor. Here's me with my halibut. I couldn't hold it, it was too heavy. My grandpa caught 2 halibuts. And Seth couldn't really hold his halibut up. Sterling caught a halibut, he couldn't hold it either. Hey guys, we just caught a whole bunch of halibut. I am not holding the phone because my hands are all slimy. But we caught so many and they were so big. From that point on, Captain Chris drove us to a spot where we'll try to catch salmon. He set up all the poles for us, and I got a little seasick. That's why I'm holding my thing down. Seth caught a small salmon.
Take it on the side right here. Keep your own, bud. Keep going.
Come on. Come on, buddy. There you go. He's going to be here any second. Hey, there he is.
There he is.
Come on,
Real.
close.
Turn it this way. Turn him.
Oh, that's a big one too. Holy mackerel.
Cousin caught a king salmon even. Watch how big this
Holy
is.
mackerel.
It's
Holy
crazy.
shoot. Jeez.
After Captain Chris brung this up, this monstrosity, Sterling was going around saying, "Did I catch the biggest fish? Who caught the biggest fish? I caught the biggest fish. Did I? Did I?"
I just caught a king salmon.
You just caught a king salmon.
Holy smokes.
I caught a king salmon right here. Look at that.
Jace, look how big that fish is.
Right now.
Holy cow.
Okay, that was the best fish I ever caught.
This was the king salmon photo. It was so heavy my uncle couldn't hold it up, but he was able to hold every single other fish. Captain Chris could hold it up, though. And now my grandpa's catching the fish.
Get it, Pops. Come on. Whoa. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Come on, Pops. You ain't going to fall over, right? You're having a hard time.
He's gonna hold you. Oh, this might be another king. Come on. Who's in the bathroom?
Oh, there it is. It's close. All right.
Oh yeah.
On the side.
Here you go. Yep.
It's a little one.
Hey.
Hey, you got a
Pretty
pink.
one.
Hey, compared to the last one, they're all
What is it?
I caught the yellow eye rockfish, but we had to throw it back since it's a protected species. And we had a great time.
Come on, pull.
Now we get to pull up crab pots before we eat lunch.
Oh! Sash the boss's mate. Oh, come on, keep going. That's it, everybody. Come on, Dace, big pull. Come on, lift it up. There you go. There you go.
Oh,
Pull it back.
harder.
Pull it back.
Harder.
Come on. Keep going. He'll let you know when it's here.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep pulling.
Oh.
Come on, get our crabs up. Keep going. There we go.
Get up there, get some more.
Ace, pull.
I just hear it around the tree.
Keep going.
Come on.
Pull, Dace, pull.
Come on, guys. Pull.
That's our lunch right there.
That's our lunch. Crabs are our lunch.
Come on, pull. Pull.
All right.
Oh, look at those crabs.
Holy moly, look at that.
Okay.
Oh, that's lunch.
Wow.
Are these crabs?
Now he's got to check them out to see.
Oh, dude. Turn them upside down. Luckily, turn them upside down.
There you go.
No. Turn them upside down.
Got a male or a female.
He'll tell you if they're male or
Captain Chris
female.
was checking if the crabs were male or female.
So
The
females gotta go back.
females had to be thrown back because you can't eat them. But the males had to be a certain size to be able to bring back to the cook your catch. Okay, but you're holding it.
Well, you can hold it.
No, thank you.
Why?
No, thank you, no, thank you, no, thank you.
Where are they?
Everybody wanted to take a picture with crabs. My grandpa tried to be funny. Sterling was scared. And Seth, I'm not sure what he was. But he had a good time. I even liked holding a crab. Hi guys, we're about to have lunch here. This is Baranof. Cook your catch. Cook your catch, they bring you to this beautiful island. And when they're cooking your catch, when they bring it out to you, fish cannot get any fresher. While they're cooking your fish, me and my dad decided to explore the island. I thought it was pretty cool. We saw this giant tree that fell down.
Wow, look at the size of this tree. Look at that root system that tore up.
This was our food. We had salmon, halibut, cod, and a stick of bread.
Salmon that crab after too, but this is the one here.
I think my
Much
uncle
fresher
liked
now,
it.
huh?
Sure don't.
Tell me what you
How the hell you think they got it?
I'm eating
They didn't climb up a cargo.
the silver
You ever climb
salmon,
one?
crab,
You step on it, put your weight down, and it
cod,
sinks.
and I already
might
finished
gain
halibut.
Maybe
and
4 inches with each
bread.
step.
How is it?
And you're doing
It
that all
is
the way up.
delicious. I don't think fish could get any better than this.
Would they lower?
Huh?
I think he needed more hot chocolate.
Okay. Oh, they got dessert over there.
Okay guys, we're done, and now we're going away.
Seth, get up here.
Bye, Cam. This was all our fish at the end, minus the ones we ate. If you're ever in Ketchikan, Alaska, I highly recommend Baranof Fishing and ask for Captain Chris. He's the best. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.